Hello everyone and welcome to another Dad's unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing Dungeons & Dragons The Adventure Begins cooperative board game. Now, seeing that we only have 3 minutes time thanks to TikTok's rules, let's have a quick look. We have a lovely manual that we should read, or RTFM, how they say here in Ireland. Then here we have the dungeon maps, so forest, like kind of castle-y area, underground dungeon, and here, let's turn it around, see, Neverwinter Wood, Mount Hotnow, Neverwinter, and Gauntlegrim. Very cool. I've been to Gauntlegrim in Dungeons & Dragons before. Then we have the cards. So for the Secret, Gambler, Wanderer, Tornado, and Sage, and all of that. Very cool. Then we have, ooh, look at these nice creatures. Felbris the Beholder. Behold the Beholder. And then let's have a look here. Cool. So we have a red Dragonborn Rogue. Nice. I like a Dragonborn. Human Sork. Elf Bard. A Dwarf Fighter, of course. Very cool. Okay. And some additional coins and levels so that you can level up your characters. Then we have cards for shopping, different kinds of item cards, then additional cards for like undead townspeople, so enemies and all that stuff. And we have our heroes. Very cool. And the dice that go with them. Haha. And here are our life bars, let's see, which are kind of cool. So you can move the slider back and forth, very good. And here in the cards, you can have your deck to mix, very, very nice. So now let's put this back. And while we still have a few seconds, see if I can find, yes, here, a way to open this card pack. But just because we are running out of time, all my social links are always in the description below, as well as Project Dad, patreon.com/Project Dad. The art is pretty cool. Flying Blind, Lizard Queen, Banshee, very Irish of course, Drippy the Ghost, ooh, shiny, Trackstar, very cool. So loads of different cards that we can use then to play. I'll put them in here nicely. And yeah, that's it. I can't wait to try this out from my normal Dungeons & Dragons group to kind of a more basic version. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching. I'm your dad, Steve, and I'm out.